breakthrough, the Chikkaballapura district police solved a 7.5 lakh rupees robbery case within just 3 hours of the crime, arrested 4 accused involved in the incident. The robbery took place on May 11th in the Vinayakanagar area of Gauri Bidanur. The victim, Shivashankara Aradhya, had arranged 14 lakh rupees by selling family jewellery with plans to invest in a new travel business. While stepping out of his house with a portion of the cash, he was intercepted by 2 assailants on a motorcycle. In a shocking turn of events, the attackers threw chilli powder into his eyes, threatened him with a machete and fled with a bag containing 7.5 lakh rupees. Acting swiftly, the police registered a case and formed a special investigation team under the guidance of Superintendent of Police Kushal Choksi, IPS. The investigation led to a key breakthrough with the detention of Yashwant, a car driver from Gauri Bidanur, who had earlier advised the victim to enter the travel business. During interrogation, he confessed to masterminding the robbery along with his associates. Based on his inputs, the police tracked down and arrested 3 more accused, Darshan and Bharat from Rajajinagar in Bengaluru and Vishakanta Murthy from Bengaluru South District. The police successfully recovered the entire stolen amount of 7.5 lakh rupees. They also seized a Swift car and Apache motorcycle and the machete used in the crime. The swift action by the Chikkaballapura police has been widely appreciated, highlighting their efficiency in cracking serious crimes within hours. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.